Yeah, man. Golden Crush. Let's get 2 patty. Hello. Hi. Hi, how are you? Good afternoon. I'll have 2 of your finest patties. Let's have a beef and a chicken.
Spicy in the beef?
Sure. Oh, they got pepper shrimp patty. Wow. Shrimp patty. I guess you could put anything in a patty, huh? They have some oxtail. It's my favorite. Oxtail. Nice. How's your day, Mom?
Well, so far so good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty good. Just doing errands, you know?
Okay. Nothing to drink?
No, I'm just going back home. Oh. All right, thank you. Have a good day. Pretty good. She said this was spicy beef. I can taste a little bit of spice. It's just right. It's good. Golden Crush patty. Pretty good. Give it a 7. It could be a little bit more moist. It could be because I ran an errand and came back. So that time passed, I think could have dried it out. But it's pretty good. So that was the beef. About $5 for a patty. Okay, this is the chicken. Looks just as flaky. I can smell the curry. It's curry chicken. I could use some more chicken though. I'm tasting mostly crust, but it's good. But I'm tasting mostly crust. Let's get some more of the meat. It's got a good flavor. I can taste the curry. Same thing, give it a 7. Pretty good. But again, I had a delay. I had an hour delay after running an errand to now being back home and eating this, so that could be why it doesn't taste as fresh, because an hour passed and I just warmed it up in the microwave. But overall, pretty good.